Hi guys, welcome back to H&M Tech Tutorial, and in this video tutorial we will learn how to create a WhatsApp group. So you can open WhatsApp and click on three dots and click on new group. So as you can see, you can see a option of new group over here. So once you will see, you can add those members by typing their names. So you can click on done, and once you will done by adding members, so you can type a group name. As you can see, I just type a group and DISCUSSION. So I just write a name like group discussion, and you can insert emojis over here. So I just insert any kind of emoji. Once I will done with emoji, I can just click on the blue tick, so it will just created my WhatsApp group. So in this way you can create a WhatsApp group. And if you want to check privacy options and the setting in your group, you can click on three dots and click on group info, or you can simply click on the group discussion. So it will just open your settings and privacy. So here is the chat log option. It will hide chats, so you can on your chat log option here as well. So in this way you can like hide your chat. So you can click on group permissions, like if you want to make restriction on send messages, if you want to make on another member's permission, you can chat log, or you can add permissions over here as well. So you can approve other members who want to join your group. So in this way you can create a group and add permissions. So I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and comments.